Today we're gonna be making nature cereal. Yeah, it's really trending on TikTok now, and I wanted to give it a try because people said it was good, including celebrities. So we have the fruits, strawberries, raspberries, since we didn't find any pomegranates, blueberries and blackberries. I love blackberries and strawberries. They're really good. So we're gonna add how much we desire. I want a lot of strawberries. So
you don't need to cut them?
No. But you can. But it's just like you can also just cut them when you're gonna eat it. So and some raspberries too. And blueberries, because I want the actual experience. Some smaller strawberries. Okay, time for more blueberries. Did you know that when you mash blueberries, they're purple, but when you peel them, they're green? Or like when you bite in the middle, it's green.
Really? Ay, ang galing. Pero bakit siya blueberry?
Hindi ko alam.
Okay. Move on.
Alright, so I think we got it. Looks really nice, really healthy. Now we have coconut. So it's gonna act like the milk. And these are our cereal grains.
Can you cut it open?
No,
Coconut?
I can't do that. That's hard for me.
Yeah, I'll do it for you.
Take a nice number.
Shout out Ate Delia. Mamaya ko na sasagutin. Where is your bowl na?
Right here.
Okay, try natin. Fake news.
But it's super like soggy.
What's soggy?
Like the thing. The table. See, it's coming out from the other side.
Natatapon na siya. Ayun. Ayun na siya, guys. Look at that.
Look at it, it's so pretty.
May natapon, sayang. Oh, it
It's so
refreshing.
aesthetic. Oh my gosh. Aesthetic. Wow. The coconut is so smelly. It smells so
Smells good, right?
Yeah. Ooh, wait. Right, we can also add some Mexican stuff. You know?
What do you want to add?
Tajin. Okay, so we have this nature cereal. No, it doesn't look best right now. You can add a little bit of that. And voila.
Okay.
Nature cereal.
Taste test.
Yup. Let's grab this. Let's drink the coconut water first. Mmm. Mmm. Very good.
Can we try?
Mmm.
Refreshing.
Really good.
Mm.
Yeah, I should use a spoon.
Lasa ng
Parang ano, yung
raspberry.
candy, yung candy na lemonade that we bought.
Mm.
Mm.
Oh, some candy raspberry.
Yeah, like it tastes like that Jolly Ranchers lemonade.
Mm-mm. First time kong kumain ng fresh raspberry. Okay.
Super good. I meat
And coconut meat, hold on, I'm going to clean it.
It's really good. You guys should really try it. And if you want the everything, it's just really simple ingredients. Just, yeah. If you want to see it, really, you can make it on TikTok if you want.
Sarap. Marami pa tayong coconut water, so I'm going to use the straw. Ang sarap. Refreshing.
You can also make this into a smoothie.